Welcome to another video, guys. Today we're gonna play Super Mario Bros. 35. Last time, I don't know what happened to Super Mario Bros. 34. I don't understand that. I don't know what happened, but don't worry, guys. We'll figure this straight out. For now, we're sticking out with Super Mario Bros. 35. It was downloaded right now. It succeeded to download. So I'm gonna make this quick video for you guys because I'm gonna feed her. I will continue premiering this later. So yeah, we're just making sure to make sure you guys like and subscribe and share the stream. I will be streaming Super Mario Bros. 35 at any time set for now, and then I'll be streaming on phone. So if you guys enjoying the stream, like and subscribe and share the stream. This is Super Mario Bros. 35. It's only available until March 31st. And I don't know what time it's gonna end. So yeah, it's gonna disappear by March 31st. So yeah, I'm sorry to say, but this is gonna be the last day of Mario, so at March 30th. So yeah, today we're gonna try it out, and then we got 3 wins at this time. So we got 5,000. So let's begin, shall we? You will hear me playing the game before, or I could feed her today, because if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now. I'll do 1 attempt for you guys, or 2, if you guys want me to. Since you guys are supportive and creative, or I could do 1. So yeah, guys, I'll do 1, and then I'll stream on times. I will stream. Here we go, guys. We're playing Super Mario Bros. 35. I know the controls, by the way. Now remember, the rules of the game is you have to win. In order to win it, you have to defeat all the people. You can also collect items as possible. Also, remember to collect items as possible. If you may wish to use the items, that will cost you 20 coins. Because that will cost you. And I missed the star. I don't know what happened to Super Mario Bros. So yeah. Let's get this Mario out of here. Let's defeat all the characters before I get to feed her. Come on. And also I'll turn up the volume for you guys. I'm on random right now. I want to choose random. I gotta get a limited amount of time so we can... So that way I can still get... Ooh, someone's out. Come on, we gotta do this. So there's a total of 89 coins. I'm gonna get that fire flower. Come on, reach! Can I reach? Yes, I can. Oh crap. Ah, shoot! That hit by the Goomba. So yeah, if you want to send enemies over, you gotta hit the enemies. I got it on the clock. So yeah, in the regular video... Ah, crap. Quick before I ran out of room. Sure, 1-1, not 3-2. I don't understand why 3-2 is added. Oop! Come on, guys, we got this. Mushroom. Ah, crap. More. Oh, there we go. That was a close one. Here we go. Running through these Goombas. Got the star, and now I'm running out of star. Boom! 230 seconds. And now we're back to this stage. Nice one. Wow, nice glitch. Let's get somebody, and also I'm gonna try to get KOs as well. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, 6 more people to go. Back to 1-1. Here we go. Ah! Mushroom? Yes, mushroom. I don't know what 1-ups do, but it gives me red coins. Don't fall this time, because you ever happened last time I fall down? Ah, crap. Get the star. There's gonna be so many enemies. Got it. I don't like 1-4. It's difficult to hit. Come at you. At least it doesn't give you smaller at all times. And it gave me... There you go. Nice trick. But that's not the one I want. Yes, I did! Sorry, that's my grandmother, guys. Let's see how we can do. Sorry, that's my grandmother, so yeah. That should be quiet for a moment. Alright, here we go. I'm so itchy. Ugh! Aw, man! Oh well. That's a good one. Yeah, you just die, alright. 40... And I unlocked the icon. Let's do one more rematch, and that's all. And then I have to end this premiere. And then I'll do a tonight stream on YouTube. Later on. At between 7 or 8 a.m. Once it gets very dark. Here we go, guys. I'm ready. Here we go. Oh, he's out. Someone is out. Got him out. Ten seconds is not too bad. Oh no, don't tell me I have to do this course. I'm not afraid. No, oh, almost. Okay, Starman again. Doesn't give me a perfect score during the regular Mario games. Look at them, they're getting out. Nine people left. 8. I need more time, guys, because if I can't get more time, one dash do this. But that's not the one I want. 7 people left. Ah, shoot. That's not gonna work. Ah, shoot. Now I'm small. Ah, crap. They're giving me more enemies. How am I supposed to be? Come on, we got this. See, I got 1 KO, finally. It's someone. Here we go. Let's get out of here. Alright, the time is ticking. Now this stage. Gotta get out of here. Ah, shoot. No! No, 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 no. Stop. Three people left. What are you doing? These cheapsies are annoying. Am I gonna die? Yep, I did. Alright, that concludes this premiere, guys, so peace.